Hello everyone and welcome in today's video. Today we are going to look at helping words in speech. Helping words in speech. Ebigambo Ebiyambi Muboozi. Ebigambo Ebiyambi Muboozi. But please note, for my subscribers, I have a special package for you coming this week. So don't forget to check it out in Luganda Made Fun playlist. Stay tuned for it. Okay. Please note, vowels are used as helping words during speech. Yes, some vowels are used as helping words during speech. And for further reference on vowels, refer to lesson 3. Lesson 3. Okay, so let's jump into the words. Art. Art. Cool. Cool. Oba. A. A. In. In. Mu. Mu. And. Na. Na. Oba. Era. Era. Oba. Ne. Ne. But. But. Naye. Naye. O. O. Oba. 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 Obanga. Obanga. 2. 2. Ku. Ku. Oba. A. A. Please note, at and to have similar words in Luganda. I hope you can note the similarity. Okay, at and to have similar Luganda words. Okay, so let's proceed. 4. 4. Kubwa. Kubwa. Oba kulwa. Kulwa. Oba olwa. Olwa. Okay, so let's see in examples so that we can grasp the thing. The girl is in the house. The girl is in the house. In Luganda, omuwala ali mu nnyumba. Omuwala ali mu nnyumba. Hope you can see in and mu. Okay. The boy is going to school. The boy is going to school. Omulenzi agenda ku ssomero. Omulenzi agenda ku ssomero. Please note, somero is not a somero because we've used ku. So you cannot say ku essomero. You drop the first letter, which is a, and that is ku somero. Okay, let's proceed. She is beautiful but crying. She is beautiful but crying. Ye mulungi naye akaaba. Ye mulungi naye akaaba. I love red or black. I love red or black. Nze njagala mmyufu oba nzirugavu. Nze njagala mmyufu oba nzirugavu. Note, colors, we'll look at them in coming videos. Yes. Hope you had fun while learning. Bye bye. Weraba. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Meet up.